All right, quick little replay for you. The guy in the Lowe's truck just said I made a chicken shit move. I beg to differ, but we're gonna watch and see if it was a chicken shit move, me or him. This is coming to the last lap, and I've been catching him. I got momentum. Down low. He tries pinching me down there coming off the turn. Gave him plenty of room. And he tries saying that was a chicken shit move. I don't get it. Look clean to me, boys and girls. Hope you liked it. Huh, fuck that guy.